Hello, this is Jerelle Medina, and I will be discussing Part 3 of our E. coli 0157H7 research project. Part 3 discusses the environmental factors associated with E. coli, such as geographic locations where E. coli contaminations occur most often. We will be discussing socioeconomic factors that are associated with E. coli, such as socioeconomic status and its association with foodborne illnesses. We will also be discussing temporal variation of E. coli. Environmental factors. E. coli 0157H7 has the ability to survive in extreme environments like acidic environments, falling below the number 4 on the pH scale. E. coli can contaminate various fruits and vegetables and other consumable products. In our specific research project, we looked into a recent E. coli outbreak this year. The bacteria was found in romaine lettuce grown in Yuma, Arizona, and the irrigation system was contaminated with E. coli. E. coli contamination can occur anywhere, especially in places that can be deemed unsanitary or unclean. Often, fruits and vegetables are exposed to E. coli because of contaminated cattle feces. There is a strong and positive association with E. coli prevalence occurring on farms and other rural locations because there is more contact with cattle. Socioeconomic factors. For socioeconomic factors, there is an association between socioeconomic status and foodborne illnesses, as well as socioeconomic status and morbidity and mortality rates. Those with low socioeconomic status have the tendency to have higher morbidity rates and higher mortality rates due to costly medical care. Socioeconomic status is associated with different types of foodborne illnesses. Those with high socioeconomic status have more contact with undercooked meats, thus they have a higher chance of being infected with E. coli. Those with low socioeconomic status have more contact with packaged deli meats, thus they have a higher chance of being infected with listeria. In general, it is always important to take precaution with the products we consume, such as cooking food all the way through, as well as storing food at correct temperatures. As for temporal variation, the infections and outbreaks of E. coli is neither a seasonal trend nor a cyclic one. E. coli can and sometimes have random outbreaks. E. coli contamination can be considered an epidemic because of the spread of contaminated products, which then can affect many people throughout several communities in the country at a certain time period. Provided by the CDC, the map on the right of the screen tells us the number of people affected by E. coli due to the romaine lettuce outbreak. The number of cases varied and occurred in many states of the country. Listed below are my references. Thank you for watching.